Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Samiksha guys और today मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ how do I made my background. मैंने अपना background कैसे बनाया this unicorn background with just simple things that are available at your home. So let's go into the video.
1, 2, ready, go.
What is this?
गाइस पहले हम बनाते हैं इसका हॉर्न। तो पहले हम इसको ये डाउन पॉट का बनाएंगे, तो उसके लिए हमें चाहिए एक गिफ्ट पेपर। मैं डाउन पॉट बना रही हूँ इसलिए मैं इतना गिफ्ट पेपर ली। अगर आप फुल लेंगे सो यू नीड लाइक दिस साइज इन एवरी वन, लाइक दिस बिग साइज। ये आपको देख सकते हैं, ये सबके लिए होगा, दैट वुड बी वेरी गुड। सो पहले मैं ये डाउन पॉट बनाती हूँ। सो चलो बनाते हैं। सो गाइस आप पेंसिल पे कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप स्केच पेन पे कर सकते हो। अगर आप स्केच पेन का करोगे राइट, इट कैन बी इरेज्ड, सो प्रेफर यू टू डू इन पेंसिल। ये दिखाई नहीं देगा बट स्टिल आप इसका शेप बनाएंगे। आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी स्ट्रेट और थोड़ा कर्व, फिर ऐसे स्लैंटिंग और थोड़ा कर्व, फिर हम नीचे से जो इधर छोड़े थे जैसे थोड़ा स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड वी विल जॉइन दैट। चलो अभी इससे हम कट करते, सो लेट्स कट इट। तो गाइस इधर मैं आपके लिए एक हैक लाई हूँ। आप देख सकते हो एक मेरा सुंदर हुआ है, एक फुल घटिया हुआ है। तो इसलिए क्या करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू फोल्ड इट। अगर आप फोल्ड कर देते हैं so, आपको पता चल जाता है ये कहाँ से फोल्ड हुआ है, कितना फोल्ड हुआ है। और जितना भी आपका लेफ्ट ओवर होता है ना राइट, दिस वाइट पोर्शंस, उसको आप कट कर दीजिए। मैं आपके लिए ये छोटा बना रही हूँ सो दैट आप छोटे से बड़े, बड़े से छोटे बना सकते हैं। मैं ये मिडिल साइज़ का बना रही हूँ, आप देख सकते हो। दिस सिल्वर पोर्शन यू जस्ट हैव टू कट इट। ओके, सो लेट्स कट इट। As you can see, आप देख सकते हैं ये कितना परफेक्ट। आप इसको अच्छे से ट्रिम कर सकते हैं। सो गाइस बनाते हैं हॉर्न। Yay! So like this you can make the rest of the parts. Now let's go to its ear. So guys उसके ear के लिए हमको ज़रूरत है 1 A4 sheet paper। आप देख सकते हैं ये A4 sheet paper है। फिर आप क्या करना है, you just have to fold that। मैंने यहाँ पर fold कर लिया है। Then you just have to cut this. Let's cut it. ये वी हैड मेड इट। हमने इसको हाफ कर लिया। देन व्हाट यू नीड, देन यू जस्ट हैव टू फोल्ड इट वन साइड टू द राइट ऑफ दिस इट्स पेपर, टू द राइट ऑफ इट्स साइड, सॉरी गाइस, टू राइट ऑफ इट्स साइड। देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द ईयर्स राइट। We have drawn this ear. Now let's cut this ear. आप देख सकते हैं हमारे 2 ईयर्स अभी बन चुके हैं। आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी। इधर एक फिर what we have to do is then हमको उसका inner corner बना रहा है, the pink color which one I had made. So उस टाइम मैंने पिंक पेपर यूज़ किया है, अभी मैं ब्लू पेपर यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. मुझे पिंक पेपर अच्छा लगा तो मैं उस टाइम पे उधर लगाई हूँ, बट अभी हम ब्लू पेपर लगाएंगे, वो भी अच्छा दिखता है. आप कौन से पेपर भी लगा सकते हो जो आपका मन हो, बट अभी मुझे मन हो दिस ब्लू पेपर, सो अब हम इसको लगाते हैं. द सेम वे यू हैव टू डू इट. यू जस्ट हैव टू फोल्ड लाइक दिस, then you just have to tear it. Guys, we got two, then one you have to keep it, then one you have to make it, you have to fold it, then you just have to make here. So you probably would be thinking that how big or how small it would be. Guys, don't worry, here I have the thing to solve this. Then you put the tip of your white paper in the blue paper or any paper, and then there you draw what you have drawn in your white paper. Okay, there we go. Then after that you just little curve it at the down of it. As you can see, I have done it. Now let's cut this. Here we have made, and here is our ears. You can paste like this, then you paste with one. Then again you paste with another one. Guys, I should tell you should do little guys, I'll say you should do little bit. You should give a gap between this, then you have to do, then you may trim this like this, you may trim it, and here our beautiful ears are done. Now let's move on to our eyelashes. So for making this lashes you need a black paper. Now what you have to do is you just fold it, then take your pencil and draw your eyelashes. So I want to say that in this point you just do it very thin, and then little fat, then again thin. Then you just have to make like this. Then your lashes, as you can make. In that paper you draw your eyelashes. Now what you do is this inner corner, I told you from first, you just do it very thin so that it will look pretty good. So let's cut it. So this cutting will take me 2 minutes, so let's go in time lapse. Yes, we had done full lashes, as you can see. Yay, our lashes are pretty good. You may paste your lashes like this. Here I have little curved. Now let's move on to its butterflies. So for that you need a colorful paper. So what you need is a colorful paper. Here I took a green paper because that suits to my wall. So now what you have to do is here you just have to fold it like this. Then you have to fold this corner to this corner. Then you may cut the excess. Now in here, what you have to do is you just have to make here it's open, as you can see. Here you make like a long stick one. Then there you make the body of the butterfly. Now here you make the wings. How big wings would be, that good your butterfly will look. Here you make your wings. Now you have to cut these wings. So 3, 2, 1, go. Yay! A butterfly is pretty good, but here is something we have, that is the down part. Never butterfly's down part is same, so we have to trim it. Like see, we're pretty see here. As you can see, we have two. Now what you need is a black sketch pen, otherwise black pen, whatever. Okay, what you have to do is you just have to trace this board and do a design on it. So let's trace it. So now guys, you just have to trace it like this. Then you may trace backside or may not. Okay, that's your wish. So now if you want, you can do lots of design on it. As you see here, I did a butterfly. There I did some circles. Here I did again butterfly with a plain one. You can do plain also, you can design, but I want this should be plain. Okay, now let's put glue on the middle and stick them together. Here you have to put your glue, and the cutted head one, you just have to put it at the down, and the head one you just have to put it up. It doesn't matter which one you put up, which one you put down, but I'll say that if you'll put that up, that will look pretty good like this. It has its head on it. It will look like, oh, it has its head in it. Now we have to leave this for drying. Okay, so guys, we are after 2 minutes. Yeah, it's completely dried, as you can see. Ooh, wow, it's dried. Now your butterfly is ready to paste on your wall or fly.